Crypto trading for beginners. Ahoy, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to your comprehensive guide to navigating the exciting, yet sometimes treacherous, waters of crypto trading. Whether you're a seasoned pirate with a treasure chest full of fiat or a wide-eyed landlubber just setting sail, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to chart your course towards crypto riches. So grab your compass, batten down the hatches, and get ready to dive deep. But before we embark on this exciting adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support fuels our mission to make crypto accessible to everyone. Number 1. Setting sail. We're embarking on a thrilling journey through uncharted waters, where digital treasures like Bitcoin and Ethereum await the skilled and savvy sailor. But before we raise the sails, let's equip ourselves with some essential nautical gear. 1. What be your cargo? Understanding cryptocurrency. Imagine a digital gold, not buried in the sand, but stored on a high-tech ledger called a blockchain. This secure database tracks ownership of these digital coins, known as cryptocurrencies. Think of them like unique, online doubloons with limitless potential. We'll explore different types of crypto, from the mighty Bitcoin to the diverse and often volatile altcoins. 2. Why chase digital waves? Exploring the benefits and risks. The siren song of crypto calls to many, potentially high returns, decentralized finance, and a glimpse into the future of money. But fair warning, these waters can be choppy. Volatility is our kraken, lurking beneath the surface, so understanding the risks like price swings and market crashes is crucial. We'll navigate these challenges together, ensuring you become a wise and cautious adventurer. 3. Finding your harbor. Choosing a crypto exchange. Think of this as your friendly port of call, a platform where you trade your trusty fiat currency, dollar, euro, etc. for digital doubloons. We'll delve into popular exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, comparing their features, fees, and security measures. Finding the right exchange is like choosing the perfect ship, sturdy and reliable for your crypto journey. 4. Filling your coffers. Funding your account. Once you've chosen your exchange, it's time to load up the cannons. We'll explore different deposit methods, from bank transfers to credit cards, ensuring you understand the process and fees involved. Remember, never set sail without sufficient ammunition. Part 2. Charting your course. We've set sail and stocked our coffers. Now it's time to unfurl the sails and plot our course through the crypto ocean. Fear not, landlubbers, this section will equip you with the tools and knowledge to be a master cartographer of your trading journey. 1. Trading basics. Learning the language of the whales. Imagine a bustling marketplace where you haggle for digital doubloons. That's the essence of crypto trading. We'll explore the ropes of buy and sell orders, learning how to cast your line for the best price. Different order types like market and limit orders become your trusty fishing nets, and stop-loss orders act as protective buoys, safeguarding your treasures from sudden market storms. Understanding bid-ask spreads, the gap between buyer and seller prices, becomes your navigational compass, ensuring you always sail towards the most profitable waters. 2. Technical analysis. Reading the waves of the market. The market itself is a living, breathing entity with its own currents and tides. Technical analysis becomes your sextant, helping you read the charts and predict its movements. We'll dive into moving averages, like trusty companions sailing alongside you, showing you the market's overall trend. Technical indicators like RSI and MACD become your magical compasses, pointing towards potential buy and sell zones. Remember, technical analysis is not a crystal ball, but a powerful tool to inform your trading decisions. 3. Fundamental analysis. Anchoring your journey in knowledge. While the market's waves may sway, understanding the underlying fundamentals of a coin keeps you grounded. We'll explore factors like project development, the team behind the coin, and its real-world applications. Is this a sturdy galleon with a clear destination or a flimsy dinghy lost at sea? Asking these questions helps you assess a coin's long-term potential and make informed investment decisions. 4. Trading strategies. From day trading to hodling. Choosing your compass. Now, let's choose the course that suits your sailing style. Day trading, the art of quick buy and sell maneuvers, becomes a thrilling high seas chase, but beware the kraken of volatility. Hodling, on the other hand, is a patient journey, keeping your treasure locked away for the long haul. We'll explore different strategies, from scalping to swing trading, helping you find the approach that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, mateys, charting your course is an ongoing process. Stay vigilant, keep learning, and adapt your strategies as the market evolves. With the right tools and knowledge, you'll navigate the crypto seas with confidence and claim your share of the digital treasures. Bonus tips. Include visuals like charts, diagrams, and technical indicators to explain complex concepts. Share real-life examples of successful trading strategies. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each strategy to encourage critical thinking. End with a call to action, encouraging viewers to try out their newfound knowledge and share their experiences. Part 3. Weathering the storm. In this part, we'll sharpen your sea legs and equip you with the tools to weather any financial tempest. 1. Managing risk. Reefs to avoid on your crypto voyage. Imagine icebergs of loss lurking beneath the surface. Risk management becomes your sturdy anchor, keeping you tethered to financial stability. We'll explore strategies like stop-loss orders, automatic safeguards that prevent your ship from sinking during sudden price drops. Diversification acts as your scattered treasure chest, spreading your investments across different coins and asset classes, minimizing the impact of individual storms. Portfolio allocation becomes your strategic map, allocating your resources wisely to navigate both calm and choppy waters. 2. Understanding crypto regulations, navigating the shifting ocean currents. Governments like watchful sirens are increasingly concerned with the crypto seas. Regulatory storms can disrupt established routes and create unexpected waves. We'll keep you informed about evolving regulations from KYC, Know Your Customer, protocols to potential exchange restrictions. Understanding these regulatory headwinds allows you to adjust your sails and stay compliant, ensuring your crypto journey remains smooth and legal. 3. Protecting your treasure, defending against pirates and krakens. Phishing attacks, like cunning pirates, lurk in the shadows, aiming to steal your digital doubloons. We'll fortify your defenses with robust cybersecurity practices, from strong passwords and two-factor authentication to avoiding suspicious links and platforms. Hardware wallets become your secure vault, guarding your coins offline, safe from any online pirate raids. Remember, vigilance is your most valuable weapon against the threats of the cryptoverse. 4. Psychological warfare. Taming the inner kraken of emotion, fear, FOMO, and greed. YOYO are the krakens of emotion, capable of capsizing even the most experienced trader. We'll explore strategies to master your psychology, develop discipline, and stick to your trading plan. Sticking to a budget becomes your lifebuoy, keeping you afloat even during market downturns. Remember, emotional intelligence is your secret weapon, ensuring you make rational decisions amidst the storm. Bonus tips. Share real-life examples of how traders have successfully managed various risks. Discuss the psychological impact of trading and offer tips for emotional control. Encourage viewers to develop their own risk management strategies based on their unique goals and risk tolerance. End with a message of hope and resilience, emphasizing the potential for long-term success in crypto trading even during volatile periods. Number 4. Bonus Booty 1. DeFi. Decentralized finance, redefining treasure maps. Imagine a new land filled with opportunities to grow your wealth beyond traditional trading. Decentralized finance, DeFi, emerges as this exciting frontier where you can lend and borrow your crypto, become a digital banker, earning interest on your coins or borrowing funds while others pay your bills. Yield farming. Plant your digital seeds and harvest juicy returns by participating in liquidity pools and decentralized exchanges. Staking. Lock your crypto in specific protocols to earn rewards and validate transactions. DeFi opens doors to innovative ways to interact with your wealth, but be warned, it's still a wild, unexplored territory. Proceed with caution, research thoroughly, and diversify your investments to avoid unexpected krakens. 2. Staying up to date. Navigating the ever-changing seas. The crypto world is a living, breathing ecosystem, constantly evolving with new trends, projects, and regulations. To stay ahead of the curve, arm yourself with knowledge. Follow reliable news sources. Stay informed about industry developments, market signals, and potential risks. Attend events and conferences. Network with other crypto enthusiasts, learn from experts, and discover new opportunities. Join online communities, connect with like-minded individuals, share your experiences, and learn from each other's successes and mistakes. Staying informed allows you to adapt your strategies, identify promising new ventures, and navigate the ever-changing crypto landscape with confidence. Bonus tips: share your own experiences with DeFi or other advanced crypto applications. Recommend specific news sources, events, or online communities for viewers to follow. Encourage viewers to continue learning and exploring the vast potential of the cryptoverse. End with a motivational message highlighting the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the world of cryptocurrency. Additional tips: use analogies and metaphors to make complex concepts easier to understand. Include visuals like charts, diagrams, and screenshots to enhance learning. Share personal experiences and insights to connect with your audience. Keep the tone engaging and avoid overwhelming jargon. Encourage viewers to ask questions and engage in discussion. If you found value in today's guide, don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. Your engagement keeps this channel sailing strong. If you have questions, thoughts, or topics you'd like us to explore in future videos, share them in the comments below.